detector north. Milepost 91.4. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 136. Train lane 1548 feet. Speed 35. Temperature 70 degrees.
No southbound on approach. April 14th, 2026 at 7:18 p.m. Whenever that becomes the case, maybe we'll catch it again in the southern border of Chicago. Who knows what we'll catch or what we'll catch, but regardless, we'll be right here for the duration of the evening. So stick with us. We'll be back as soon as we get something else. Thank you much.